Did you know that many non-stick cookware sets sold in stores can actually release harmful chemicals when heated, scratch easily, or wear out in just a few months? In US kitchens, where dinner happens every day, picking the wrong set can ruin your meals and maybe even your health. In this video, we're exposing the truth about non-stick cookware, what most salespeople won't tell you, and reviewing the best cookware sets that are actually safe, durable, and worth your money. Scratched surfaces, peeling coatings, and pans that die in months. If you want cookware that actually lasts, listen up. First, the coating is everything. Low-quality non-stick wears fast, flakes, and can even affect food safety. Look for PFOA-free, multi-layer coatings. They resist scratches and last way longer. But coating alone isn't enough. Base material matters too. Aluminum heats fast but warps easily. Stainless steel cores give even heat and stability. Handles are more than cosmetic, check ergonomics and heat resistant. A pan that slips or wobbles is a recipe for burns and mess. And don't forget oven and cooktop compatibility. Many non-stick sets won't survive high heat or induction. Cleaning is another hidden problem. Dishwasher safe sounds nice, but hand washing keeps coatings alive. Stacking pans without protection? Instant scratches. So think about storage design too. And finally, build quality and warranty. Solid brands back their cookware, giving peace of mind if coatings fail. Pro tip, always use silicone, wooden, or plastic utensils. Metal will destroy even the best coating. Mistake to avoid. Buying the cheapest shiny set, it'll flake, warp, and cost you more in replacements. We've rounded up 5 best non-stick cookware sets for durability, safety, and performance. Amazon links are in the description. At number 5, we have the Rachel Ray Kusina non-stick cookware set, 12-piece in sea salt gray. Crafted from durable aluminum with hard enamel porcelain exteriors, these pots and pans are long-lasting, attractive, and compatible with electric, gas, and glass ceramic stovetops, not induction. The set includes a 1-quart and 3-quart saucepan with lids, 6-quart stock pot with lid, 8.5-inch and 10-inch frying pans, 3-quart saute pan with lid, a slotted turner, and a slotted spoon. The standout feature is the next-level non-stick coating, which ensures effortless food release. Even eggs slide right off and simplifies cleanup. Comfortable silicone grip handles, double riveted for stability, offer a secure hold on both cookware and glass lids, which are shatter-resistant. Oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Rachel Ray's Kusina set is built to last, backed by a limited lifetime warranty, giving users confidence in the quality and durability. Beyond performance, a portion of the proceeds supports Yummo, a non-profit promoting healthy relationships with food for kids and families. Customers praise the cookware for its stylish design, durable construction, and excellent non-stick performance. They find the set ideal for daily cooking and appreciate the included utensils for convenience. Some note that careful use is required to maintain the non-stick coating, but overall, it's highly regarded as value for money. For current pricing and availability, check the links in the description. At number 4, we have the Calphalon non-stick 10-piece cookware set. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum with stainless steel stay-cool handles, this cookware provides fast, even heating for precision cooking. The set is compatible with electric, gas, and glass stovetops, and pieces are oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing seamless stovetop to oven use. The advanced non-stick technology ensures food releases easily and keeps the saucepans performing like new, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup effortless. This 10-piece set includes a 10-inch and 12-inch frying pan, 2.5-quart and 3.5-quart saucepans with lids, 3-quart saute pan with lid, and 6-quart stock pot with lid, covering most everyday cooking needs. Each handle is long, sturdy, and stays cool on the stovetop for safer handling. Customers find the Calphalon set well-built, easy to clean, and fast heating, delivering good value for money. Some users report excellent durability, while a few note early peeling on the non-stick coating. The set size receives mixed reactions. Some appreciate the range of pan sizes, whereas others find certain pots smaller than expected. Overall, it's praised for consistent cooking performance and sleek, professional look. The best part? Limited 10-year warranty included. See the latest prices through the product links in the description. At number 3, we have the Blue Diamond Hybrid Non-Stick Stainless Steel 12-piece cookware set. This set uses diamond bond hybrid technology, fusing tri-ply stainless steel with a laser-etched, diamond-textured surface and a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating, resulting in 10x more durability, 6x faster heat response, and 4x longer-lasting non-stick performance. The 12-piece set includes a 1.57 7 and 3 quart saucepan with lids, 5.19 quart stock pot with lid, 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans, 2.78 quart sauté pan with lid, a solid turner, and slotted spoon, covering most cooking needs from boiling and frying to sautéing and simmering. The heavy-duty, scratch-resistant construction handles metal utensils safely while remaining oven and broiler safe up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit, glass lids to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Cast riveted stay-cool handles provide secure handling and chip-resistant. Wrapped rims allow clean pouring. Customers report excellent heat distribution, noting that the handles stay cool and the non-stick surface allows food to slide off effortlessly. They find it lightweight yet durable, dishwasher safe, and capable of cooking a wide variety of dishes, from stir-fries to sauces. Overall, the set is praised for combining style, functionality, and long-term performance in one comprehensive package. Find current prices by following the product links in the description. At number 2, we have the Cookware 26-piece non-stick pots and pans set. This extensive set includes 3 fry pans, 8-inch, 9.5, 11, a 2 QT saucepan with lid, 2.5-, 4.5-, and 6 QT stock pots with lids, a 4.3 QT sauté pan with lid, ladle, slotted spatula, tongs, pasta server, steamer, and 7 pan protectors, covering nearly every cooking task from frying and sautéing to steaming and boiling. Made from reinforced die-cast aluminum, the cookware offers long-term durability while remaining lightweight, ensuring convenience during daily use. The top-level, harder granite non-stick coating provides 10x ultra non-stick performance, making cooking safer, healthier, and cleanup effortless. While the set is not dishwasher safe, hand washing or a quick rinse is sufficient to maintain its premium finish. The extended bottom design ensures quick, even heating across all stovetops, including electric, gas, and induction cooktops. The Bakelite handles provide a comfortable, secure grip, and the set comes with a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Customers praise the Cookware set for its excellent build quality and attractive appearance, noting that the pots and pans cook evenly, resist sticking, and prevent burning. Users also highlight its value for money, finding it ideal for families or anyone looking to replace mismatched cookware with a complete set. For today's pricing, visit the product links in the description. When it comes to cookware sets, the brand Tefal is impossible to overlook. At number 1, we have the Tefal Ultimate 17-piece non-stick cookware set, a premium cookware collection designed for durability, convenience, and versatile cooking. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum with a forged construction, this set is built to withstand daily use while ensuring even heat distribution. Its titanium non-stick coating keeps food sliding off effortlessly, making cooking easier and cleanup a breeze. The 17-piece set includes 1, 2, and 3 quart covered saucepans, 8-inch and 10 fry pans, 11.5 covered fry pan, 10.25 griddle, 3.5 quart sauté pan, 5 quart Dutch oven, 3 quart steamer insert, and an Egg Wonder fry pan, covering nearly every cooking need. Thermospot technology on the frying pans shows when they are perfectly preheated, ensuring precise cooking every time. With riveted silicone handles for comfortable, secure gripping and vented tempered glass lids that lock in heat and moisture while allowing visibility, the set balances performance with safety and ease of use. Oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, lids to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and compatible with electric and gas cooktops. This set is highly versatile, excluding induction. Customers praise the Tefal set for its excellent quality, durability, and non-stick performance, noting that food slides off effortlessly and cleaning is simple. The cookware heats quickly and evenly, works well on gas stoves, and provides good value for money, with a limited lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. Best for home cooks looking for a reliable, non-stick cookware set with wide-ranging versatility and easy maintenance. If you want to cook hearty dishes faster, check this video on pressure cookers,